Hey everyone, Sylvia here and welcome to my WhatsMyRank plugin review. So it is a simple SEO tool I will be reviewing today, and it's going to tell you what's your ranking. Okay, so what that means, you will have to, it's a plugin, yeah, it's a WordPress plugin, so you'll have to install it onto your WordPress site. And what that tool is going to tell you is what's your ranking on Google. What that means is for how many keywords your website is ranking on Google and how well it is ranking, how high. Okay, so that's the simplest thing in the world it's gonna do for you. But why do I love it? Because it does the job. Okay, so if you have a website, or if you run websites for your clients, if you manage their websites, and you know a thing or two about SEO, you know that you will need a tool like that. And normally you would pay monthly for those SEO tools, but with this one, WhatsMyRank plugin, you will just pay once and you can use it for a lifetime. Alright, so guys, let's dive in and let me show you what you're gonna get here. So we have the sales page here, and I have the demo, and then we'll go through the prices as well at the end. So here we go. What does it say? It's not a fancy, sales page. This is what I like. It's straight to the point. It just tells you what you're gonna get here and what you are spending your money on. Okay, so this is 100% automated software. Tracks all your Google rankings and shows them right inside your website. No more manually tracking your rankings, zero manual work. Never pay monthly fees for rank tracking software ever again. Okay, simple as that. And that's the guy behind this product, Ankur Shukla. I really like him because he always releases those genuine softwares. Most of the time they are just plugins that do a specific thing for you, that simply do the job, right? So it just says that let's talk all about the most common problem you face every day: tracking your website ranking for hundreds of keywords across Google. Having to do it manually one by one is boring and a lot of work. It can take you hours every single day to do this, or you can buy expensive softwares. Yeah, those SEO softwares, you can. There's two popular ones. I've forgotten the names of them, but it's like on the tip of my tongue. But I know you will pay for up to $100 a month for those softwares. Anyhow, so that charge. Okay, so those softwares will charge you monthly fees to track your rankings, to track your rankings for you. But it's all external software, so if you stop paying, you lose all the data. Okay, whereas with this one, it's a plugin, so it's going to be on your website. This is terrible and painful thing at the same time. So what if you could tracking all your Google rankings automatically from within your website itself? That's the very convenient thing here, right? And never have to pay monthly fees or yearly fees. Never have to do any tracking manually. Always get undated rankings every single day. And improve your SEO based on all of this. Obviously, you will analyze, the results this tool will give you, and then you will know what you need to work on, what you need to improve. So obviously it's for people who know a little bit about SEO. So you will know what keywords you need to either eliminate or add, or so on, right? Okay, cool. So here you can just click on this one, download your copy of the software. That's how you buy it, guys. Go via my link, and you can get to this sales page via my link, the link that I put below my video, and obviously you can get it from me if you like my review. Okay, what this software can help you with is just 100% automated rank tracking, so zero effort. Well, automated, right? Dashboard shows you top 3 and top page rankings, up to 3 pages on Google. Track sites on any Google domains and regions. Track hundreds of keywords and multiple sites easily. completely set and forget, get rankings daily, really simple to use, just click and done. Okay, so here's some of the testimonies of people who have tried the software and they're, you know, over the moon about it, with it. Okay, here we have two options. I mean, it's almost obvious that you would want to go for this one because this is for a single site, so you can just use it for one site, and you can track only up to 50 keywords on one site, and this one 22, just $3 extra, and you get you can install up to 50 sites. There'll be more options, guys. We'll go through the prices and later on. You can even get the front end for unlimited websites, but I'll show you later on. So yeah, definitely don't get this one unless you really want it for just one website, you know. Right, so you get the money back guarantee, all of that. So okay, you click on this one if you want to buy the blue one. Sorry, no, I'm not colorblind. The yellow one. All right, let's go and check out the demo. So what he's gonna do, I'll also put the demo under my video, the link to the demo, so you can watch it in your own time. I'll kind of talk over it. He describes everything that he does here, so I'll kind of silence him and talk over. So let's see what he does. So where you go is here, where you see this WhatsMyRank, right, and the plugin, and you will see that. Okay, so here you have the dashboard, latest rankings, add keyword, and manual updates. For the first time you'll have to do it manually, and then you will just go to latest rankings, and you will, those rankings will be updated, day by day, hour by hour. So he will go here to add keyword. This is where you add the keyword. Alright, so you'll see what he's gonna do now. Okay, let me just maybe self up here and just maximize it. Okay, so here we are. So he goes to add keyword. Okay, and now he's gonna do he will add the domain and domain name and the keywords, so one by one. Okay, and then I believe you can also choose on the Google versions as well, use on what Google site, whether google.com or Google, for whatever country or region. Check that. Okay, so one line, one keyword per line, so how to make money online, how to best make money online, best ways to make money online, whatever keywords you will be in. Okay. Cool. Okay, now he's just picking the Google version. He says he normally goes for the google.com, and you can always add more keywords here. Okay, and then what he's gonna show you is not yet, so just bear with me here. And then you go here to the latest rankings. Okay, and you can see how high it's gonna Google. And if you click on update now, it's gonna give you the latest update. And then I believe it will only show you up to 3 pages on Google. So on Google normally it shows you up to 10 pages. So if your website is gonna rank on let's say page 12 or 15 or 20, this is not gonna show it here because it only shows up to 10. So it's just gonna, okay, so the data has been updated manually. So this is what you're gonna have to do, the manual update for the first time. Okay, as you can see, so this is how his keyword ranked. So it was on page number 3. Okay, and the rest, they were not doing very well. So it was greater than 100. That means that it was on let's say 11th or 12th page on Google, because like on each of the pages on Google you will be shown on about 10 results, so 10 times 10 is 100, right? So yeah. Okay, so here we okay, so as I was explaining, you know, if you go to Google, you know, you'll have like up to 10 results, right? And then you go next. It normally shows like up to 10 pages. So if your website, you know, ranks for like a particular keyword on anything greater than 10, then the software will not pick it. It will not show it. Okay, so simple as that. Okay, here's the prices. So guys, quite a few upsells. Just saying that, you know, here the single site is $19. I think 50 sites was 22, and the 27 is for unlimited. So if you want for unlimited, just grab the 27, the one for 27. And then we have like a pro for limited sites, 100 sites, and then the agency, so you can, you know, sell it to your clients. This tool as like a marketing agency, right? And then we have some upgrades on traffic, all of that. So once you get the front end, you will be presented with the with all of the upsells. Okay, now let me now give you some, I was gonna say, like, let me give you some freebies from me. So this is a video, guys, I made on my perspective on the concept of bonuses, guys. Quite a funny video. I mean, I spoke from my heart, so, you know, I just share my perspective on this whole concept about bonuses and, you know, pushing bonuses. So, you know, you can actually buy from me, but I don't do that. You know, it's a waste of time for me. You know, I try and like focus on just reviewing the product as well as I can, and then yeah, you know, doing my best to help you make an educated decision now. And then I believe that if you buy my review, or simply if you like my review, simply buy it from me. Simple as that. I love keeping things simple. Nevertheless, I made this video, and below that video on bonuses I put a link to a website where you register for free and get access to thousands of free products in whatever niche category you can possibly think of. So yeah, go and get that, you know, if you want. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this What's My Rank review, and that's a tool you think you would need for your website. You know, if you do SEO, and if you run a website and create a content on a regular basis, then obviously you need a tool to check the ranking, right? To track the ranking on Google. So I think it's a great tool to invest your money in. All right, stay cool and see you in my next review. Ciao.